to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Firebird Institute of Research and Management. And in this video, we are going to see the May MAT questions which was asked recently in the May MAT examination. And before that, don't forget to join our free online guidance webinar on important questions and shortlist discussion for the upcoming May MAT exam that is to be held on May 28th as well as June 4th. Those who have registered for June 4th exam, don't forget to register for this free online guidance webinar conducted by Firebird Institute of Research and Management. This webinar is to be held on May 26th, Friday at 7 o'clock. If you want to enroll for this webinar, kindly register through the link provided in the description box. All the best, students. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss the mathematical skills-based question, which was asked recently in the question paper. So, watch this full video to know completely about the shortcuts. And also, already we have posted mathematical skills part 1 video national. Let us give the link for mathematical skills part 1 in the description box. After watching this video completely, you can watch that video also to get knowledge about mathematical skills shortcut. And this is a question based on permutation and combination, right? So definitely you can expect 2 questions based on permutation and combination. If a team of 4 persons is to be selected from 8 males and 8 females. So there are 8 males and 8 females are there. You are going to select 4 persons from that team. Then in how many ways can the selection be made to include at least 1 male? The condition they have given is you have to include at least 1 male. So at least 1 male in the sense your selection from male and female can be. So 1 male and 3 female, and 2 male, 2 female, 3 male, 1 female, and 4 male, 0 female. You can make any of these 4 options available. So consolidating together, here we are discussing about selection only. So it comes under combination. Okay, so the condition is you have to select 1 male or 3 female, 1 male and 3 female, or you can select 2 male and 2 female, or 3 male and 1 female, or 4 male. Okay, so how many male people are available? 8 male. So 8C1 and represents multiplication. How many female are available? 3. Okay, or represents addition. And again, similarly, you can write 8C2 into 8C2, or represents addition. 8C3 into 8C1, or represents addition. 8C2. Do you understand this? Okay, so n factorial, NCR is nothing but n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay, so similarly, if I do 8C1, 8 factorial divided by 1 factorial into 8 minus 1, 7 factorial. So 8 into 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial. So if you cancel, 8 is your answer. So NC1 is nothing but n. You should note NC1 is nothing but n, and NCR is n factorial by r factorial and n minus r factorial. Another important formula is you should know is NCR is equal to NCn minus r. That is 8C3, you can also write it as 8C5. Or if they give you 8C5, you can write it as 8C3. So what is 8C1? 8 into 8C3, you can write it as 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So here in this part, there is 3 is there. So you can extend up to 3 values. Okay. So plus 8C2. 8C2, 8 into 7 divided by 2 into 1. Similarly, 8 into 7 divided by 2 into 1. Plus 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. And again, 8C1 is nothing but 8 plus 8C4, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So now you can cancel. 3 2s are 6 and 6 will get cancelled. So 8 into 56. The next part. 4 times. 4 7s are 28 into 28. The next part. 56 into 8. Okay, and here 4 2s are 8 I can cancel. 3 1 times, here it is 2 times. 7 2s are 14, 14 5s are 17. What is 8 into 56? 8 into 50, you know that 400. And then 6 8s are 48. So 448. Plus, next you should know what is 28 into 28. Okay, so 28 into 28 square, 784. Okay, plus 56 into 8 and again 448 plus 70. So if you add all the values, see 400 plus 700, so 1500 you will get around 1500 plus 70, 1570. So 1570 plus 160, 1670, 1700 around you will get as your answer. So option C is your answer. Okay, so this comes under the concept selection. Okay, selection, it is nothing but combination. You should represent as C. So you should remember the basic formula NCR is equal to N factorial divided by R factorial into N1 is R factorial, where N stands for the number of things available and R stands for number of things to be selected. I hope you got some idea regarding how to solve the problems based on permutation and combination. Okay, students. Thank you all for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. You're going to get more videos based on main question paper. Don't forget to enroll for our free online guidance webinar conducted by Firebird Institute of Research and Management on May 26th, Friday at 7 o'clock. The students who are taking their exams on May 28th and June 4th can enroll for this webinar to know more about the upcoming May math examination. Don't forget to enroll. The registration link for this webinar is provided in the description box. All the students. Bye. If you want to score 550 plus in the upcoming May math exam, don't forget to enroll for our 10 days crash course, which is to be started from 21st May. If you want to enroll for this 10 days crash course, you can contact 8870046080 or let us provide the registration link for the 10 days crash course in the description box. All the best.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.